Good morning, everybody. Today, we are going to go on a river, the Shell Rock River in Iowa. We're taking good old John boat, and yeah, the goal is to catch anything. Pike, muskie, I don't know if there's muskie in there or not, or bass, largemouth, smallmouth. It would probably be smallmouth if we do catch any. But anyway, it's gonna be a fun time, so come along for the ride. We found water. It's about a normal height right now. It might be a little higher than it was when I was here last, but not nothing bad for sure. This is the boat ramp too. There's no dock. It's just kind of, you just shoot and hope for the best, you know? Just put her in and tie it to a rock or something. But anyway, that's perfect for this boat. So let's get it ready and put it in the water and we'll start fishing. We got the boat in the water. I'm not gonna use the outboard right now. I'm just gonna troll over to that side over there. See if we can get something. That looks pretty good over there. Last time I was here, it was low-key flooded. So, you know. This rod has a blue and black jig on it with a crawl trailer. That's what we have on right now to start off with. I'm hoping I can get a smallmouth or two on this. I don't know if that's a possibility or not. This is a dirty jig, by the way. Dirty Jigs by Dirty Jigs. I don't know what. Yeah, it's just by Dirty Jigs. Ooh. One thing about jigs, if you're bad at casting, most times you can get it back. I'm gonna head across the river here. Right over here, there's a bunch of rocks that they put down. Obviously, they're not natural. And I've caught smallmouth off of those already. The water's really green. Okay, I'm gonna head to the other side now where there's some laydowns. Something keeps jumping and I wanna see what it is. I'm guessing it's just carp, but you know, there's always that hope that it isn't just carp. Oh, this side's shade. I might stay on this side for a while. Stick. I don't know, man. There's one. Instant it hit the water pretty much. No! I was fishing that really slow, just barely hopping it. Man. That was a decent bass. He was sitting tight in the cover, so that's a hint. I was fishing real slow, and he was tight in the cover. Okay, I'm gonna pull my trolling motor out, and we're gonna head upstream a little ways. Because this is kind of all boring here. We're gonna put this spinnerbait on, see if we can get something on that. White spinnerbait. There we go. That's a decent smallmouth. My big camera's not rolling, of course. But that's a decent smallmouth. Oh no, we're going the wrong way. But nice. I wish the big camera would be on. I never turned it on after we drove a little bit. At least we didn't get skunked. Because that would have been sad. Yo. I low-key want to jump in. that's the video. Thanks for watching, everyone, and I'll see you on the next one.